Hey, welcome to Meet Hour Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to set up virtual background during video conferences on Meet Hour in desktop. Note, you can set virtual background in two ways. 1. Before you join the meeting. 2. After joining the meeting. Let us begin. Step 1. To set virtual background on the pre-joining screen, go to the meeting link. Now click the Select Background button present at the bottom, and pick any background from the default images. Step 2. Second way to apply a background. After you join the meeting, go to More Options, click on the Select Background button. A pop-up window will open with built-in images for you. Select any image to set the virtual background, and, as soon as you tap on the image, you can see virtual background applied to your video background. Step 3. Along with this, you will have 3 ways to apply virtual background on the left-hand side of the pop-up window. The first option, if you select None, the background will set to none if available. The second option, if you select Blur My Background, your background will become a blur over the conference. And the third option is Custom Image. If you select Custom Image, you can upload any image of your choice and apply it to your background. That's it. Later, click OK to close the panel. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Hour. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the latest updates.